Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to insert and remove the SIM card from your Pixel 7 or Pixel 7 Pro. Let's get started. Now before we get into this, I just want to let you know that there's a link to a full playlist on tips, tricks, and tutorials that you can use with your Pixel 7 or Pixel 7 Pro. So if you're interested in learning more, definitely check it out. First, you're going to need your SIM card tool, and it should have come inside the box of your Pixel 7 or Pixel 7 Pro. If you don't have the SIM tool, you can use something small with the same kind of tip, maybe a paper clip or an earring. You just want to make sure it doesn't have a sharp end, otherwise it could damage the SIM card tray. Secondly, you're going to need your SIM card from your carrier or your previous device. Now, removing the SIM card tray is extremely simple. It's located on the left side of the Pixel 7 or Pixel 7 Pro, and you're just going to insert the SIM card tool into the hole. It should look like this, and then just give it a press. It doesn't take much force at all. You're then going to just pull out the tray like so. And then take note of the shape of the tray. There is a slant right on that side there. You're going to then align the SIM card with that slant. They both have that same slant on them. So it's going to look like this, and you're kind of just placing it in, and it should fit in like a puzzle like that. And then once again, you're going to insert the SIM card with the tray back into the slot here, like so. You can see the hole in the tray aligns with the hole of the phone, and then just push it in. Make sure it's flush. You'll start hearing some sounds on your phone if you're getting notifications or that you're connected. And that's it. That's how you insert and remove the SIM card from your Pixel 7 or Pixel 7 Pro. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell notification box to be notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.